Today I will show you how to use pie charts. The pie chart is a part of Minecraft's debug screen. It breaks down what your game is spending your time in processing and rendering. And today I will show you how to use it. First up, you press F3 on your keyboard. F3 plus 1. Open up this pie chart. And here on this pie chart, you can press different buttons. You can press 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and go through a different of categories if you want to see mobs or particles or something you want to see. A few common sections you will see is like root, game render, tick, level, background processing. If you want to go back, you press 0. If you want to go forward, you can press 1, 2, 3, 4, and go through all of the categories. This is practical use to find lag, to find like a lot of mob spawning. If your game is lagging, you open up pie charts. Or if you want to locate an underground activity, like a player base or a cave or something like that. Speedrunners use this all the time, and if you are good on using this, you can find bases and structures and speedrun the game very fast. So Explore with this is easy to use, and it works on Java Edition. And the Minecraft pie chart is one of the most incredible and useful tool if you know how to use it. Uh, Play around with it and maybe you find some bases or structures.